This is Nokia C12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to begin with, you will need to open Settings and enter the Wi-Fi category. Network and Internet, and then go for the Internet. Here is the Wi-Fi category I was talking about. Now tap at the network you would like to share, assuming that you are connected to the said network, and at the network details page, simply go for the share option, and the system will provide you with the Wi-Fi password as well as the QR code that you can further use, or to be more precise in particular, that you can further scan with any other device like this one, let's say, and the aforementioned device will be automatically and conveniently connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.